Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aditya Nendra Pratama. I am class 12 IPS 1. Number absent 2. I will explain about verb finite and non-finite. Verb that change with subject or tense. Transitive verb. Our verb is a predicate in a sentence which is able to be followed by object. Example, Mr. Madik reads newspaper every morning. Intransitive verb is a verb as a predicate which is not followed by object or without object in a sentence. Example, policeman. Action verb. Action verb are verbs which show someone activity such as give, work, play, read, text. Example, Hirera studied hard last night. Non-action verb. Non-action verb is about the use of sense. Example, your mouth smells very bad. Non-finite verb that do not change with subject or tense. Participle. Verb is used to explain word nearly. Example, my favorite is boiled potato. Past participle. Gerund. Gerund is the ing form of a verb used as a noun. Example, my hobby is swimming. To infinitive. To infinitive, to verb 1. To infinitive is used to express the purpose of something, of someone's opinion about something. Example, to study. Verb infinitive. The verb infinitive is infinitive without the marker to. Example, usually used after as modal verb.